Naija Senate don approve the second reading of the bill wey wan change the National Assembly Service Pension Board Act 2003. Senate leader Senator Bamidele Opeyemi wey bring the bill come Senate floor on Tuesday tok say the main idea of the law na to reform the pension system for National Assembly members by bringing back contributory pension scheme.
To revert to the contributory pension scheme by ensuring a transparent and accountable system, to reintroduce gratuity payments that fairly compensate retirees for their service, aligning with best practices in pension management, to restructure the composition of the governing board to eliminate potential conflicts of interest and enhance governance transparency.
Senators Barau Jibrin and Tahir Monguno support the bill wella. Dem tok say the bill make sense and e come at the right time as e go help build better structure for National Assembly staff. Dem tok say the bill na correct step to make sure say pension system for National Assembly go last well and match better standard wey other people dey follow.
It discourages corruption. Having a workable pension scheme. Once you know you have workable pension scheme, you are okay, it will help you by the time you leave. Why are you going into corruption? You won't go into corruption. You will be you will be contented. That contentment will be there.
One of the best way in order to encourage civil servants to contribute their widow's mite and their best while in service is to guarantee their future, is to ensure that by the time they retire, they will not be exposed to the vagaries and vicissitudes of economic and social problems that is in the larger society.
For him own side, Senate President Godswill Akpabio yarn say the current pension setup no dey okay at all and e dey affect their staff.
It's for the benefit of our staff and then make sure that we get their inputs to know the best way forward, because it's been in contention since we resumed in 2023. And as I speak now, even the pension board has not been constituted. And I know that billions and billions are lying. And then a lot of the staff who retired, some of them are sick, some have died without collecting their pensions and gratuities. So it's something we need to look at very fast and take a decision that will be in the overall interest of the staff of the National Assembly.
Now, the bill go enter third reading and more talk go still happen before dem fit turn am to law. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.